morning. Well, it's the afternoon, but about to have breakfast. I am at my family's house in Dominican Republic for New Year's, and I just woke up this afternoon. I went out last night with my cousin, so I'm tired, but we have a very typical breakfast, so let's dive in. This is more of a Haitian breakfast, not a Dominican breakfast. So we have boiled banan, which is plantain, avocado. We have an omelet with codfish, and we have a salad dressing made from onions, vinegar, and oil, which is simple, and black pepper and salt. I only like boiled plantains in the morning, and it's only good with fish to me. So this combo is everything I could dream of. You cannot find avocados like this in America, I swear. But this combination is like my fave. So in the omelet, there's codfish in the omelet, which is like a salty, like Jamaicans call it saltfish. Like, you know, they'll eat ackee and saltfish. So it's an omelet with cod, green banana boiled, plantain boiled, and some salad. I also have some Haitian coffee. Oh, in the Caribbean, we don't have white sugar. It's always the Turbona, whatever it's called. It's like just the cane that's processed, but none of the bleaching. One thing I will say about being